Seonggyeongsoon Dumplings brings 40 years of authentic Korean craftsmanship to the modern table. Founded in 1983 in Daegu, we preserve tradition with honesty, flavor, and quality. Seonggyeongsoon delivers authentic taste through craftsmanship trusted for generations, presented in 3 key points of its dumplings. Point 1. For over 4 decades, we have perfected dumpling making with passion and precision. Point 2. Our strength lies in trusted quality, diverse products, and reliable global networks. Vermicelli dumplings, light vermicelli filling with a clean, savory taste. Daegu flat dumplings, crispy pan-fried dumplings from Daegu. Daegu signature flat dumplings. Our signature flat dumplings with rich flavor. Vegetable flat dumplings. Fresh vegetable, filling in a light flat dumpling. Korean corn cheese dumplings, sweet corn and creamy cheese in every bite. Fried tofu noodles. Dumplings, crispy tofu wrapped around savory noodles. Flat dumplings, Tteokbokki. Flat dumplings paired with spicy Tteokbokki. Konjac dumplings. Light konjac dumplings with satisfying texture. Fried dumplings with noodle, golden fried dumplings filled with noodles. Triangle vermicelli dumplings, crispy triangle dumplings with vermicelli filling. Product lineup, a complete dumpling lineup for every taste. Point 3. From home tables to global markets, our products bring Korean taste to the world. Partnered with E-Mart, Lotte Well Food, Hyundai Green Food, and global distributors worldwide. Our manufacturing facilities in Daegu ensure safety, efficiency, and trust in every product. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us